This is chapter 3, exercise 12, YouTube homework. So I am drawing this using my turtle. So first I import the turtle, then I set the background color into light green, then I name my turtle Tess, then put Tess shape into a turtle, then I set the color blue for Tess. The first thing I did was stamp, so Tess could stamp on the middle right here. Then I wanted Tess to move without drawing any line, so I wrote, I ordered Tess to not write anything by pen up. So she, then I ordered Tess to move forward 120, which she did without underlining. Then right after that, I ordered Tess to write something and move forward for 15. Then to put her pen up, then move forward 20 and stamp again. And the next thing I did was use a for loop, because everything is going to be the same after this except the first line, because she's moving forward and the other she's moving in a certain angle to draw the circle, and she's moving 30 degree to the right, and I want to to get Tess back to her original place before making another point. So I ordered Tess to move backward before she did anything. Then again, she moved forward 120, then put her pen down, then again move for 15, then put her pen up and move forward 20 and make a stamp, which she did right here. This one is only for the first line, and the others was for this old circle, and that was for eye and range 11 times. So she did change her angle to 30 degree every time she moved. That would be 11 times. So this was the out.